Alright, what's up guys? So we're back. We're at another video again. We're gonna go meet up with Chris and see what we want to do. I'm gonna remove the rest of my from delete on the side, and then next weekend I'll end up rewrapping that. And then we got my lowering springs, my lowering springs coming in soon. So we'll end up putting them on too. See how that looks. And then we got the big, we got a big car meet coming up too. That's gonna be pretty cool. So, I'll see you when we guys get there. Yeah, I'll pick it back up when we get with Chris. All right, guys. So we're here with Chris. Just met up. We're trying to figure out what we want to do though. But what's up? Let's see what's up.
What's up, gang?
What do we want to do?
Eat what?
All right. Other than that, though, because I'm not participating in that activities. I'm not about that ass eating shit.
Yeah, we can get some food.
Yeah, we can get some food. I already know what you're gonna say, though.
What?
Chipotle.
Come on, man. Behind the scenes type shit.
Yeah, added in the video for y'all. Tune in. But yeah, I guess we'll go get Chipotle. You need to turn that off, or is she coming out? You slept here last night?
Yeah. I feel like going home, gangster.
I just left my car over here. It's like, nah, that's loud. Alright,
Oh, shit.
yeah, let's, yeah, I'll cut to y'all when we, at Chipotle. Alright, y'all, so we at Chipotle with Chris. We about to go in and order. See what we all want.
Brown rice. Chicken out pass.
So yeah, we about to get a regular brown rice bowl, chicken al pastor, queso, the whole 9 yards, all the good shit. I'll show you when we're done though. Well, I'll catch you guys when we do our food. Me and Chris. That's what I got. Oh, brown rice bowl. No, you already started eating, yo. Let me see. Show them what they got. Show them what you got. He got brown rice.
Chicken out pastor.
He got some chips. But yeah, we about to eat and then we'll we got a car meet we're gonna go to with a couple buddies. We're gonna go back down my way, meet up with them, and then ride to the meet. But I'm about to eat, so I'll pick it back up when we're done. There's a little clip for y'all. We got a little SRT8, little bumblebee action. That joint was nice, yeah. I think that's what's his face. That's the kid that comes down the Hay Road. I'm not even gonna say his name, but
Tell him what Hay Road
it's
is.
the but yeah, shorts right now. Y'all want to tune into them, but I'll pick this back up when we're all ready to roll out. So we're sitting in traffic right now. Chris's car always be doing this boost cut thing where, I don't know, his car's weird. He has his wastegate cuts out all the time. So he has to cut it out and cut it on. There we go, he just cut it back on if you heard that. Alright, well, I was just explaining to them what happened.
Yeah, I'm good.
I'll cut it back on when we're back at my house. So I forgot to pick the camera up after we got back to my house, but we basically just used the bathroom and got a drink, that's it. But other than that, we're meeting up with our buddy right now, and we're gonna head out to a meet, and yeah, linking up with him. But I'll catch you guys when we're at the meetup spot with him, and then yeah, I'll catch you guys in a sec. We're here. Chris will be here in maybe like 10 minutes, 5 minutes. We're pulling up to the meet. We're with Nick. Sonny already there. Sonny's in the GT 350. Nick's in the 5.0. We met up with a couple of random people on the way to the meet. We're running with a Subi, 2 Subis actually, a 5.0, an Infinity, and a TRX. But I also have the GoPro on and recording. We just got to the meet right now. We got a purple Huracan. Or is that an SV? I don't know what that is. Got a McLaren Corvette. We got a couple of good cars coming in. We'll take a little stroll. We got the Audi over there. There's a couple cars that are coming. So here comes Chris. Walk over here. This Audi is nice. This is an S5. It's got that carbon diffuser. I like this slick look. This is fucking clean. Yo, Nick, if you want to go up, I'll meet you. If you want to go up and meet Sonny, I'll meet you up there. Oh, never mind. Got a couple Supras. BMW. This Subi's nice. Little built turbo.
What's up, man?
How you doing?
How you doing, brother?
This yours?
Yeah.
This is nice, man. Man, that's insane. This thing is incredible. Subucon, and that guy in the wheelchair drives a Subaru, which is pretty incredible. I'm able to show you what he has in here to be able to make him drive. He uses his hands there to pull. One is the gas, one is the brake, and it's actually an automatic Subi. No hate to this guy. This is incredible. But a lot of people crowding around now. Let's go see what Chris is doing. Oh, where'd he go? Oh. He walked right past me. I was too busy looking at the Subi. You just walked right past me.
I was like, where the fuck did he go?
But here's Chris. Show a little bit more of these. Over here we got this. I mean, this is nice. I like this. Not something I would preferably drive around, but Sebi too fly. Little Fox on some. Ooh, this thing's clean. I wanna know what's under the hood. Got some of these. Yeah, bro. Go ahead. Let's walk back. But that whole lot up there is full.
Is it?
Yeah. But this is so clean, bro. This S5 B8. The matte Nardo gray. Nah, I don't think that's Nardo gray, but the matte gray is nice. And you got the nice diffuser. You got that Lexus is nice too. Got a Beamer. I think that's a 330i. Or F80, I don't even know. What is that? What is this guy doing? Chris is grabbing his thing. Got an SS. Little El Camino action. But yeah, guys, this is the meet. I'm gonna get back to you guys when we're up at the next lot because there's a lot more cars up there that I'll show you. But yeah, I'll get back to you in a second. This is the main lot with all the cars in it. Is that a 170? I think they got the 170 Demon. Little Corolla GR right here. Nah. Yeah, my bad. The Scat. Why'd I say that? Damn. Okay. Bro, I'm about to go down the line. I'm about to spoil them. Got the nice ass already.
Remember the one at the one in Aston?
Yeah. Porsche. Oh, this Beamer.
I like these Porsches.
Got the Lotus coming in. You guys already seen this stuff. That's really nice. I'll show you the yellow. I've got Chris right here. We got the yellow R8.
What's it like?
What is this? Is this a GT3?
No.
Oh, this is a GT4.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, it is, bro. It says GT4 right here.
Hey, I'm just making sure you know that.
Yeah, alright. Chris is an asshole. That's clean though. This thing probably rips. But we got another Porsche. We got the M3 right here. This thing's clean. Another Porsche.
If I was to do anything, I would do that BMW. It's just so nice.
That BMW's clean. I like this too. But, yo. Huh?
The wheel on it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, the carbon.
Yeah, the carbon wheel's crazy. My bad, Chris. But
It's gotta be the Hemi, right?
it might be the swapped. Could be swapped.
No, it's an S. It's got a 5.7.
Oh yeah. Yeah, but I was thinking that Hellcat swap it.
At first, I thought it was a 300C.
For all you bike lovers, here's a couple bikes. I'm not really into bikes like that, but here's a couple bikes for y'all to see. That's really nice. This thing is nice. This thing's modded the fuck out.
Look at the hood. This looks like somebody jumped on that motherfucker.
Oh yeah, somebody fucked it up a little bit. Y'all can see that.
Look at this R8.
Oh my god, that color is crazy.
Nah, that color.
That's nice. This gotta be my favorite color out of all. But at the same time, the matte black
It's
one's
got
crazy.
peanut butter.
Does it really? Damn it, dude. You can't really see.
Fucking carbon mirror.
Let's go look at this Camaro right here. See what this is all about. What is it, a supercharged? Yep. Supercharged Camaro. That's nice. That's a Beamer. Other than that, that's a pretty good little walkthrough. There's more down there too. I didn't even see.
Come on.
Let's go. We'll go walk down there. I'll show you guys that now. To show you guys, this is the Dark Horse. This one's clean. I ain't even gonna lie. I like the little blue. You know what I'm talking about?
Oh, look at that. Bro, that's crazy.
That is nuts.
Bro, this is something about these BMW. So cool.
Bro, that just looks. Bro, you're just going from like, you got the Dark
Yeah, it's like-
Horse,
it's
and
like-
then you go,
Bro, look at the pink, bro. It's
Damn.
like blue and pink.
like that thing. It's just so like.
I know. So got this, bro.